Hi friends, True Nature Childcare here. I'm going on a bug hunt. You want to come? Going on a bug hunt. First place I'm going to look is this stone. Stones are great. You can turn them over and see who's living under there. It only really works though if they've been left alone for long enough. Ooh, a slug and a potato bug. Do you see them? And I like to use my handy dandy magnifying glass to get a more up close look. See that little roly-poly guy? That is a potato bug. And next to it is a black slug. Nice. Alright, I'm going to put it back. And I always like to look at the bottom too. Oh, there's a teeny tiny little guy crawling across there. See him moving? Alright, I'm putting it back. I'm gonna put it back. There we go. Another good place to look is an old log, like this one, which I turned over earlier. Sorry, I already turned it over, and so everybody disappeared. But there was a giant earthworm under there. And before I even started looking for places to look, I found this. Wow, a snail shell in perfect condition. So special. Other good places to look are if you have bark chippy areas like this. You can ruffle up the bark chips, or piles of bark chips work really great. Piles of leaves or areas that are covered in leaves are also excellent. And in summer, look for any soft leafed plants and start trying to find areas where a bug has made their cocoon. I don't see any on this because it's springtime, it's a bit early. I do see some evidence of bug action that chewed on these guys. So anywhere where you notice that something's getting eaten by a bug, you can always start looking around and you might just find somebody in there. But what you'll see in summer a lot of times is the leaf will be folded over like that. That's a spot where a moth or butterfly made its cocoon and is going to hatch out of. Alright friends, have fun with this. Get creative. If you have bricks, got some bricks in your yard, or stacks of wood, those are also good places to look. And of course digging is always excellent. Let me know what you find. Take a picture of it, make a drawing of it. Be nice to it though, make sure it gets to go back where it belongs, because everybody likes to live in their own home. Alright guys, and if you enjoy these videos, please do like them and subscribe to my channel, and you'll just have more and more of them.